This little gem, with its new roof, deck, large fenced-in yard and updated kitchen is a real showstopper. Nothing to do here but move in your belongings. A terrific floor plan from the kitchen, with its pass-through into the dining room, to the den with a cozy fireplace and mantle. French doors open to the fenced-in backyard and new deck. Upstairs you will find 3 spacious well-lit bedrooms, full bath in the hall and primary with ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. Fabulously located minutes from shopping center and all of its wonderful energy. While you're home, enjoy the amenities provided: pool, clubhouse and playground.